Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.
Alright guys, right now I'm testing the microphone. This is on the stereo setting, which you can hear sound from the left side and the right side of the microphone. You might not hear my voice as clear because most of the sound is coming from the left and the right. I'll turn up the sensitivity of the mic a little bit. Testing, turn it down. Can you guys hear me? Testing. Alright guys, next setting is the omnidirectional setting, which you can hear sound from all the way around the mic. Right side, left side, to the back, and the front. So this is good for like recording podcasts with multiple people around the table, so you can hear everyone just the right amount. The next setting is the cardioid setting, which is mainly focused on the front of the mic. So it's good for like streamers who just talk from the front to the audience, and it's good for other stuff, maybe like recording yourself talking for a YouTube video like I am right now. So I'll test the sensitivity. This is the max the microphone goes to. Turn it back to the middle and turn it back down to the lowest. Back to the middle, clapping, making some sounds. So the last setting is the bi-directional settings for the mic, which records sound from the front and the back of the mic, snapping. You guys can hear both snaps just about the same. It's good for one-on-one talking, maybe a Q&A with someone. The setting is perfect, and I would adjust the setting, lower, higher, maxed, and back to the middle. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video if you liked it. And special thanks to Jordan for lending me this microphone that he won from a giveaway. Congratulations on your new mic. This is a very nice microphone. I hope you enjoy it. And anyways, thanks for watching. Oh yeah guys, and I forgot to mention there's a really cool feature about this mic. From the top you can just tap and it just mutes itself, and the lights go off to let you know that it's muted, and when you tap again it's unmuted. So this is perfect for streamers because the RGB on this mic is very fantastic. It looks very nice, and it's easy to tell if you're muted or not muted by the lights.
She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under.